Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. This is the third tutorial video for the WP Setup Wizard plugin, and this will cover the legal settings. So let me go straight into this, don't waste any more time, and go to legal settings, cookie consent notice. If you want to enable a cookie consent notice on your site to be eligible with the latest requirements, legal requirements for websites, you should check this checkbox. And here down you can customize the cookie consent notice that is shown on your site. So let me open a new incognito tab and show you how the cookie consent notice looks. Oh, sorry, it is in the under construction mode. I set it in the previous tutorial video and I forgot to set it off, so I just turned it off. And now let me show you the site in an incognito window once again. So here is the site and this is the cookie notice. So you can change this text, you can change the text of the accept, of the decline button using this setting. So cookie notice text, you can change the text of the cookie notice, show the cookie notice only to visitors located in the EU, because the cookie law is affecting currently only the EU countries. You can set this to be shown only to them. Also, you can change the accept button text, decline button text, learn more button text, learn more button URL, decline button URL, cookie notice position, top or bottom, and show cookie notice again after this amount of days to each visitor. Default is 30 days. Okay, now let's go to legal page selector. This will allow you to select some legal pages that will be assigned as privacy policy page, terms of conditions page, cookie policy page, and GDPR request page. So you can create this from plugin settings from here. Privacy policy page generator, you can generate advanced versions of your privacy policy pages if you don't want to generate it from the content settings. So if you go and click in the content creation tab here, you will see that you have a privacy policy page here, also here, and if you check this, then a basic version of the privacy policy page will be created for you. However, if you don't want this basic version, you can create here an advanced version which will be customized for your site. So you can change the site name, company name, email address, country, hosting company's name, your autoresponder service, other services with data access, and privacy policy page title. So let me give this advanced privacy policy, and let me change here some settings. Okay, so click generate, and after the page is generated, you can go ahead and check it here. So this is the advanced privacy policy that was generated for you. So if we search for, sorry, so let's go back to your site, to the site. I made something that is not right. So WP setup, as you can see, your name and your company name and your email address will be embedded in the privacy policy, so it will be made custom for you. So this service on the net is quite expensive, and it is right here in the plugin. You can benefit of it. So you can make a terms and conditions page similar to the other feature, the privacy policy generator. You can generate your custom terms and conditions page. Here you can change also settings, and you can add additional content to the page. if you have online payments, if you have medical disclaimer, if you want to comply with California Transparency Act, if you make subcontracting, if you are having training or development for employees, users can create accounts. If your users can create accounts, check this. If you can terminate user accounts, check this. And afterwards click generate. So let me change the title of this and click generate. And here it is, our custom page is ready for us. If we search for this URL, for example, and so on, so it will be made custom for us. Cookie policy page generator, similar with the other settings, you can get a custom cookie policy page with site name, site URL, email, your website user uses cookies for. You can check the features that apply, third-party services that you have on your site, Google Analytics, other analytics, website optimization, AdSense, affiliate tracking, cookie policy page title, contact form URL, and contact phone number. So let me create this also real fast and show it to you guys. And after we click on generate, we can check the site here. So custom cookie policy, and it is ready, done for us. Now custom GDPR requests page, generate, and the GDPR requests page is here. It will contain a form where people will be able to contact you, so they will be able to enter their user account or their email address that they wish to get contacted on, and select your request. Unsubscribe from emails, edit my data, delete my data, request a copy of my data. And if they select edit my data, they can select user data, post comments, and they will be able to describe their requests in detail. Delete my data, my user data, my posts, my comments, request a copy of my data. So this is a form that will make your website GDPR compliant, and this is required to have if you want to get GDPR compliant. So these features need to be present on your website for it to be full GDPR compliant. Okay, now let's go back and GDPR page redirect. If you want to redirect visitors to any of these pages, and new visitors, so keep in mind, new visitors will be redirected to any of these pages, and they will be forced to accept, for example, your privacy policy, and redirect after accepted to last visited, to home page, or to any custom page, or without redirect. Redirect logged in users, redirect not logged in users. So you can enable this feature for logged in users, for not logged in users, or for both. Redirect only EU visitors. Page version number, you can change your page version number. So if a visitor accepted version 1.0 and you update your page, you can add here a 1.0.1, and the visitors that already accepted version 1.0 of your privacy policy page will be forced to re-accept your new version. So this is why the page version number should be entered. And text to show on top of the redirect page, you need to add some hints to the page that you want people to accept, and text to show on the bottom of the redirect page, I accept the contents of this page. Okay, so now let's go to GDPR compliance checker. This will be a quick check that will make sure that your site is GDPR compliant. And here we'll have some quick checks, and if you see anything that is failed, you can go ahead and click on activate, and afterwards you will be fully GDPR compliant. So we have a cookie consent configured. This is okay. All legal pages generated and configured correctly. This is okay. And common cookies opt-in checkbox enabled. This is also checked. And if you want to be GDPR compliant in a single click, you can force to not accept traffic from EU visitors. However, you will lose these visitors by checking this checkbox. EU visitor redirect URL, you can redirect them to a custom URL, and you can show them a custom not allowed text. Also show comment opt-in cookies opt-in checkbox. If you want to show a custom checkbox in comment section that the people that comment on your site accept cookies on your site, you should check also this checkbox. Okay, so yeah, this is everything for the legal part of the settings. So the legal configuration part of this plugin was shown in this tutorial video. In the next tutorial video, I will be showing the next menus here, the theme installer, the plugin installer, and also maybe security settings if I will be having time in the tutorial video next. So I will be seeing you guys in the next tutorial video. Bye bye.